TVR vlogs.
No. Hey!
Oh, and go on that fucking ride.
Yeah, we gotta go on Scandia,
Bro, that gotta be the vlog.
This is the first and last time ever going on this ride. Never doing that shit again, bro.
He started yelling, Diego! Diego! Did you hear him?
Shitting bricks. I was like, fuck. And then like when they go down, I was like, fuck.
Almost had us?
Really?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
What's that?
The hose busted up. It's been like that.
Go for the tip. I got you, bro.
What the fuck?
Holy shit!
Let's try the other one. That's so fucking stupid. That's dumb, bro.
Wait, now that you have a new car, how many tortas are you gonna get?
Let's see, with the 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5.
The torta mobile? Ay, no. Oh, shit. W Black Michael Jackson.